Hello, I'm Dr. Daniel Daves with Basics for Success. Come with me on an amazing journey. You see, anytime human beings get involved in any type of market investing, trading, business, or activities with one another, divine rhythm begins to unfold. Why? Because human beings are living and life has built within it the rhythm of God. It's a divine thing and it's a very powerful thing. You see, when the stock market in 2007 had marched up to its ultimate high, the rhythm began to tell us it was time to get out of the market, that the market was finished. And what happened? Well, in October of 2007, it hit its high, and then it's been down, down, down since then. And people without understanding are calling it a crisis, a terrible event, a horrifying thing. But if you understand rhythm, you understand that it was finished moving up, and now it's time to head down for a season. And when the down season is over, it's going to be time to head back up again. And what most people call a crisis in fear and anguish really is just divine rhythm. It's time for us to change our core belief system and begin to understand that what goes up must come down, and what goes down will turn around and more than likely go back up again. It's no different than your heartbeat, your waking and sleep patterns. Did you go to sleep last night? Did you wake up today? And if you did, will you do it again tomorrow? Well, more than likely you will. And in the same way, markets rise and work, and then they go to sleep and rest. Right now, our market is resting in the general economy. And while people are freaking out and trying to wake it back up, and our governments are taking the paddles and trying to, boom, shock this market into waking back up, I'm sure glad my wife doesn't do that to me in the evening when I'm sleeping, take the paddles and try to shock my heart into coming back alive. When those people are trying to do that, they clearly do not understand rhythm. Let the market rest, because it's going to need to wake up and get a fresh, good night's sleep for the next workload that it's got ahead of it, moving up to break new highs. But you know, that's how rhythm works. And as we found the top of the rhythm, we found the top of the market in 07, we'll find the bottom of the market when it's time. And as of right now, we don't have a bottom in the market. And so we're not buying the stock market. Do you know that businesses move in the same way? There's a time to buy a hotel and a time to sell the hotel. There's a time to buy the restaurant and a time to sell the restaurant. And if you bought it at the wrong time and you've been suffering as it's been sliding and declining, you may have bought it at the wrong time. Don't think that God's mad at you, and don't think that God's taking His vengeance out on you. It's just that you got in on the wrong side of the rhythm, possibly because your core belief system is wrong. Come along with me again on this amazing journey. We will deal with the core belief system, and we'll begin to learn the highs and the lows. We'll find out how you and I can tap in onto infinite wisdom that God has available through divine market rhythm, divine business rhythm. And once you find that, you will know, and you'll be able to teach your children and your grandchildren and those closest to you. You'll be able to teach them when is the right season to get in and when is the right season to get out. I'm Dr. Daniel Daves with Basics for Success, and I hope to see you in the mentoring classroom.